Hello, kids. So, today again we are here with a new chapter Motions of Earth. We have already discussed about different forms, landforms, and how the earth is made, what is the diameter. We have already studied about earth in length, about the latitudes and longitudes. So, in today's chapter, we will be covering the topics revolution, rotation, we will be covering about angle of incidences. We will be covering about insolation. We will be knowing about the solstice and equinoxes. So moving ahead with the topic rotation, if we have to see the rotation, if you see, it is mentioned here the movement of earth on its own axis. Children, earth is very creative. Earth is revolving also, earth is rotating also at the speed of 30 kilometers per second. The earth is rotating with the speed of 30 kilometers per second. Isn't it amazing? It is really amazing. On its own axis means it is an imaginary line, the diameter which is connecting the two poles. That makes the axis, that becomes axis. So on its own axis, which is little tilted, the earth is continuously rotating, and earth completes in one rotation in 24 hours. 24 hours the earth completes one rotation. Imagination, it's really nice hearing. The earth is rotating on its own axis and completing one complete rotation. See how big the surface is. Earth is rotating at the speed of 30 kilometers per second. Even then the earth is completing one rotation in 24 hours. And the direction of the rotation is west to east. We call it anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And when earth is rotating, so sun's rays are falling at one place and not falling on other. This is happening. This is what we have studied about. So the place which is getting sun rays is experiencing day, and the place which is experiencing darkness and not getting sun rays while rotation is taking place is experiencing night. So the rotation causes day and night. We can say that. Rotation causes day and night. So if we move ahead to another topic, that is revolution. So revolution is also like ghumna, moving around. Whereas rotation was moving on its own axis, and revolution, earth is revolving around the sun. Earth is revolving around the sun. But revolution cannot be completed in one day. Revolution takes 365 days and 6 hours. It means one complete year to complete one revolution. And that is also anti-clockwise, the direction. The earth is also revolving around the sun west to east. And it is causing what? It is not causing day and night. Rotation helps in experiencing day and night, but revolution helps in experiencing seasons. This is how the seasons take place. But the question comes, and yes, before getting into another question, I would like to discuss that earth is revolving on a fixed path. On a fixed path, which is called orbit. That fixed path where the earth is revolving around the sun is known as orbit. Yes. And the plane side of the orbit we say orbital plane. That's what orbital plane is all about, the imaginary line. So now the question comes, if earth is rotating with the speed of 30 kilometers per second and revolving as well with equal speed, 30 kilometers per second only, then why are we not feeling it? Why are we not feeling it? We'll be reading in another topic which we'll be discussing soon. So this is what rotation and revolution was all about. So the next topic which I want to discuss here in this video is the factors responsible for life on Earth. What are the factors which are responsible for life on Earth? There are multiple factors. The flowcharts I will be sharing in the classes. So the factors which are responsible why life is possible on Earth. There are multiple factors. An important factor which is responsible for life is the Earth's placement. Earth is placed on a precise orbit. Had it been too close to sun, life would not be possible. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी होती. Had it been far, then the life would not be possible. बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती. It would have been the coldest planet. But now, Earth's position is so precise in the solar system that it is getting adequate amount of heat. The 99% of heat source is sun. So we are getting lot of heat from sun in appropriate amount. So the life is possible. Earth is experiencing revolution and rotation, which is helping us to experience different seasons, days and nights. So that's how life is easy. We'll be studying tide patterns and wind patterns in our further chapters because of the tilted axis of Earth. And that tilt is because of the moon. It's so amazing. Earth is a mystery. And we enjoy learning about Earth. In every video, I tell you different things about Earth. That's nice. Earth is experiencing volcanoes, ice ages, floods, storms, climate changing, crust displacement. So a lot of things are happening in the Earth. Earth is capable of resetting, setting. So when we talk about don't waste plastic, plastic takes 800 years to get destroyed. We don't save Earth. We don't need to save Earth. We need to save ourselves. We need to save ourselves. Earth will take care of it. Earth will press the button that okay, now volcano time. Earth will do it. Earth will get okay, ice age time. Okay, this is the time of the climate change. This is the time of the displacement, crust displacement. It is we who have to take care of us. So these all were the factors of life on Earth. This is how the Earth is experiencing life. In the next video, I will be discussing about solstice and equinoxes. Thank you, kids. Thank you so much. Hope you liked the video.